If I run this command, Ollama --version, as you can see, I get this error that says Ollama is not recognized as an internal or external command. If I run any other Ollama command like Ollama run tiny llama, I'll still get the same error. So how can we fix this? Before fixing, let's see some possible causes. The first thing is that you might not have Ollama installed. If you don't have Ollama installed, it will not run. So the first fix can be to just try to install Ollama. You can see the command in the screen right now, and you just run this command to install Ollama in your system. Okay, now if you're sure you have installed Ollama, but you still cannot run this, what you can try to do is just close your terminal, reopen terminal, because if you installed Ollama and ran it from the same terminal session will not have loaded the new environment variables. Now try to run Ollama again, and if you are still getting this error after installing and reopening a new terminal, you will need to add Ollama to environment variables. Press your Windows key, search for environment variables, click on it, click on environment variables. Here in your user variables for Vishal, or whatever your username is here, double click on path. Now, one thing to note is if you want Ollama to be accessible to other users in your PC, if there are other users, you need to do this in this path. Okay, if you add this to the current user's path, it will only be accessible by the current user, but that's what I want. So I'll just click on this path, scroll down to the bottom and click on new, and here you need to paste the path of Ollama executable file. So where is it? The default directory is in your C drive, inside users, and then go to your current user, and then inside app data, local, and then finally go to programs, and here you will see some programs which will also have Ollama. Okay, now we'll just double click on Ollama, and here you will see Ollama executable. So just copy this path, go back to your environment variables path and create new path, paste it, click OK. Click OK again, and you can close everything now. Open command prompt again and run Ollama commands now, and this should work. As you can see, this time it is working and I can see my Ollama command output. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.